Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Impala Premier, stock number Z8282XX. 27,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Blue velvet metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Impala is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 11-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. You can load various apps depending on your needs. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Wireless cell phone charging. No cords hanging in the way. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers overhead. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 305 horses. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.